The eastern deciduous forest exists at the mid-latitudes all along the eastern coast of the United States to the Mississippi River. This map shows a geographic range of this unique and vast biome. These next maps show a change in land cover in the biome from 1700 to 2000, showing a loss in forests and natural environments in the region. This forest fragmentation is caused by urbanization, population growth, and destruction of habitat. The Köppen Climate's classification system classifies this biome as a humid subtropical climate. As you can see from the climograph depicted from Roanoke, Virginia, a city within the biome, this region receives relatively consistent amounts of rainfall throughout the year and experiences humid hot summers and mild to cool winters. The major drivers of this particular climate is proximity to the ocean currents, and a descending Hadley cell at the mid-latitudes. Throughout this forest in the eastern United States, there is a variety of landscapes, from the eastern coastal plains, the Piedmont region, to the karst topography in the Appalachian Mountains and the Mississippi alluvial plain. The eastern deciduous forest is rich in species diversity in both flora and fauna. Hardwood tree species like oak, birch, and maple are a few prominent species found in the region, along with several species of conifers, creating a mixed broadleaf forest. In this image, the characteristics of these broadleaf trees can be seen along with the typical forest structure of a deciduous forest. These tree species are deciduous, which means during the fall they will drop their leaves due to decrease in temperature and solar radiation during the winter months in the northern hemisphere. Some animals in the region include a variety of salamanders, squirrels, black bears, white-tailed deer, the eastern turkey, coyotes, and even elk can be found throughout the region. These species all have an extensive geographic range throughout the biome, but are being limited by humans through land use change. Mountaintop removal is destroying habitat for these species and even lowering biodiversity in the area. Mountaintop removal causes a wide range of negative ecological impacts such as valley fills and habitat destruction. As a result of mountaintop removal, there is a loss in biodiversity in the deciduous forest biome. Valley fills occur after a mining site has been cleared and the debris is then pushed into the adjacent valley, destroying water quality and burying headwater streams in these valleys. Loss of habitat is a direct result from clear-cutting forests that provide habitats for a variety of different species. Also, topsoil is removed, stunning any chance of succession to take place, ultimately creating a barren ridgetop. This map shows areas of mountaintop removal and surface mining in the Appalachian region. These sites destroy species habitat and lower biodiversity. For example, mountaintop removal and destruction of habitat in the eastern deciduous biome has caused the eastern elk to be eradicated, but thankfully with groups like Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation and all the state agencies involved, a successful reintroduction of elk in several states including Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, and North Carolina on reclaimed coal mines and mountaintop removal sites has taken place. The support and funds from the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation, along with participation and regulations enforced from state fish and wildlife services, has allowed the species to thrive once more in the eastern United States, with a population of over 7,000 elk just in eastern Tennessee, and allowing more states to implement their own reintroduction elk programs.